Look, I know the title of this video is Rips, Whomps, and Stomps, but if I'm being real, I don't rip and whomp all that often. 95% of the time, I'm racing the finish line with my left foot, not my right foot. So even though you don't hear a lot of rips and whomps in this video, there are some extremely tight margins and some very, very close laps in here. Let's get into it. Here I'm dialed 481 against a 497. Can probably only go a low 480 here, not holding too much because the car and driver were both abnormally good in the time hits earlier. I was 009 on the tree and 2 thou behind. My opponent was out on me and I just didn't see enough room to go around and kill my 100th, so I decided to drop hard at the stripe. I was 21 behind to be dead 8, which works out to my opponent being 11 thou under. Mark one down for the brake pedal. Lined up against the 506 dragster here, I'm dialed 482. As the ET difference gets bigger, I tend to hold just a little more so that the action happens a little earlier on the track, giving me just a little bit more time to get it right before the stripe. We're about dead even on the hit. I was 12 and my opponent was 13. Down track, I was covering up my opponent a little early, and I think it may have caused a bit of a knee-jerk reaction on their part because it looked like they may have ripped or grabbed some brake here. I was ready and I caught it pretty good, so I did give a little rip on the gas to back in a bit tighter when he moved back. I definitely got lucky and almost thought I gave this one back as I was almost 3 above to take 001 stripe here. But nonetheless, win light was on. Headed into this lap, I had grouped up 4 reaction times inside of a 6 thou spread, so I was feeling confident on the tree. Car was running what I was predicting, so I actually dialed honest here against the 497 car. Just got to keep them guessing sometimes. I'm dialed 482. I had a slight advantage with a 009 bulb to my opponent's 13. My opponent was going 1 above here, so I had some room to grab a little bit of brake pedal. I ended up 1 above 4 to be 2 thou ahead at the stripe. Before we dive into some even closer races, a brief word about today's video sponsor, Get 'em Performance.
Get 'em Performance is responsible for creating this beautiful piece of all-American made, all billet aluminum. 1600 CFM twin blade gas carburetor. Last weekend out here we had a lot better weather, and I'm pretty sure I laid down like 5 laps, maybe even 6 laps in a row where the car ran or either would have ran 469 to the 8th mile. It's deadly consistent. The car is working. It's fast. It's easy to service, it's easy to change jets, there's O-rings, there's no gaskets to break. All the trick features, go and check them out. Links down in the description. Get 'em Performance. Don't forget to use discount code GallStar5 if you want to save yourself some money on an awesome unit like this.
Here we are into the next day, dialed 480 against a 492. I think the car is on a 77, but my confidence in that isn't that great with this being the first time on the track for the day. Again, nearly dead even on the hit. His 003 to my 004. Again, I didn't see the room I needed to kill the ET I wanted to kill, so I crossed 14 thou behind to be dead on with a 5. My opponent was 8 thou under. You can see this one looks a little weird. It looks like he was trying to grab the brakes, but maybe just missed the target a bit. Hit them a little bit too late just after the stripe. Another really close race I was fortunate to land on the right side of. Dialed 478 against a 452 car here. I'm doubtful that I can go under, but it could be close. So I'm hopeful to have a little room to grab a little break right at the stripe here. Going down the track, I decided that I did think I had room to get the brakes and still cross first. So I waited until the stripe and stomped them. Definitely got way more brake pedal than I intended to here, but the wind light still came on. I was 2 above 4 and just 1 thou ahead of my opponent. Can't take too much credit for that one because driving against the faster dragsters is kind of like shooting a 3-pointer. I got lucky on this one. Dialed up to a 479 against a 501 car. To be honest, I didn't think I was getting around until the very last second on this lap. I thought I saw my opponent drop, and my left foot is programmed to drop with him, so that's exactly what you're seeing here. Fortunately, I had a little advantage on the tree and crossed 8 thou ahead to be 1 above 5. The car slowed up on me, and I probably could have run that out without going under. I only killed about 100th on that lap. Here I'm dialed 480 against a 488 car. The data shows that I should be on a 78 here, but that last lap was a mid 79, a little slow. So I'm not too confident on exactly what I'm going on this one. Chasing down the track and can tell I'm behind, and I'm just not going to get there. I tried to push my opponent as far as I could, and then I got the heck out of there. It was the right call on this one as I was late, 024 to his 001 reaction. I dropped to be 31 behind. My opponent broke out by 10 thou, so the wind light was on. Dropping that hard and still going under worked out to the car being on a mid 77 for this lap, so I'm dialed 479 against a 488. Down track, I'm seeing that I'm going to go around, so I just try to make it tight on this one. I ended up 003, taking 002 to be 3 above. Again, that probably sounds like I almost gave it back, but some days you can just see the stripe really good. I think this was one of those days for me, so the aggressive stripe driving was really working well for me. Lined up with a faster 451 dragster here, so I dialed a 478. If anything, I think I can go just a few thou under, maybe. I seldom can judge the 450 cars, so I took a couple looks here just to make sure nothing looked too weird and just tried to go dead on. I waited until the very end and grabbed the brakes in hopes of going dead on. I ended up 2 thou ahead at the stripe and 2 thou under. That's right, my opponent was 20 total, I was 20 on the tree, so I needed to take 0.003 to win this one. Another close lap, just didn't quite get as lucky that time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please whomp on the like button. Visit the GallStar TV swag shop to support the creation of more videos just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.